Hello, this is Christopher from TSS. Well damn, what a year 2020 has been. A lot of airlines and other areas have gone out of business due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So let's cross our fingers for a better 2021 year for the aviation and other industries. I want to thank all my TSS fans for continuing to show your support, and I promise you 2021 will see many new products. Among them are the Boeing 737 MAX, the new A330 series, then there's the C160 Transal, the A300 and A310 series, but also the A320 and A321 Neo series. Then there's the Dash 8 Q400, the Saab 340 and the Embraer 120. The Airbus A380 is also getting ready for production, and I have a ton of helicopter and general aviation aircraft recorded, so that's also an area I will work on. So a lot of new products is planned for 21. And before you ask, yes, Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 is also an area I will focus on in 2021. And I'm gonna leave you with some footage from Manchester of one of my personal favorites, the awesome Rolls-Royce RB211 E4. So I wish you all the best for 2021, and once again thank you for sticking with TSS. Happy New Year.